One World commercials. Recognizing essential workers. Virtual Career Day. All right now on FCA Replay. FCA premiered 2 all-new television commercials for the Dodge and Jeep brands during the One World Together at Home globally televised and digital special to support frontline healthcare workers and the World Health Organization. The Dodge brand's new 30-second video, Strength, honors essential workers on the front line of the crisis. The Jeep brand's new 30-second video, 7 Continents, supports the brand's recently announced social initiative asking its owners, fans, friends, and followers to #StayOffTheRoad. The Dodge brand's The Muscle Behind Us social campaign is giving the Brotherhood of Muscle the opportunity to recognize those who serve as first responders and other essential workers on the front lines of the pandemic crisis by submitting stories and photos of their heroes, using #TheMuscleBehindUs on social media. New 30-second videos, Strength and Horsepower, have also been released to recognize these essential workers. FCA was planning to host hundreds of employees' children at its U.S. headquarters for National Take Our Daughters and Sons to Work Day. Instead, FCA launched the event online, expanding the program to kids of more than 60,000 employees in the U.S. The Bring Your Kids to Work at Home virtual experience allows kids to experience a day in the life of FCA and to explore the many careers available within the automotive company, from design to production, from the comfort of their homes. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. I'm Peter Spezia, reporting for FCA Digital Media.